I will show you exactly how to style yourself without using lots of money. Or maybe you won't even need to spend money at all with my guide. What we want is a higher return on investment in clothing. And this video is divided into 3 active and simple steps to get where you want to be with your style. I wasn't always good with clothes, but getting a sense of style skyrocketed my appearance and attractiveness. I remember that some girls were talking about how they like guys who have a great style and big hands, and they looked at me. So I guess I have a right to speak about that. So number 1, you are what you wear. So before we even jump into mindlessly buying new clothes, you should wash your dirty clothes. The worst thing somebody can wear is stinky knitted clothing. And I don't know how this could even happen, but there are a ton of people who don't even do the bare minimum. Nicely and freshly washed and ironed clothes instantly increase your style by at least 10%. Because you care about yourself and the way you portray yourself. And this breeds confidence. Step 2. The rule of thirds. The rule of thirds describes the ratio of your clothes and can give you the extra cherry on top with your current clothing. It's a rule that both applies for men and women. The rule goes as follows: 1/3 at the top, 2/3 at the bottom, or the other way. 2/3 at the top or 1/3 at the bottom. Depending on your body composition, you might also go half and half with no problem. But I, for example, have a shorter torso and longer legs, so putting more emphasis on my torso gives me the edge on some outfits. The third rule, especially for beginners, is buying clothing in sets. Sometimes websites will offer you that. That gives you more safety in the way it will look, and you could certainly find your real style there. And only buy clothes you feel the wow effect with. This is certainly underappreciated. People just buy what looks good, but they don't look at the combination. You should start buying in outfits and not in single pieces. You will end up looking like a Rubik's Cube, not like somebody that styles good. So buy the outfits where you know you'll be instantly confident in, and people will notice that. Alright bro, if you enjoyed this video, I'd really like a sub and a like. It's a win-win for both of us. You learn something new, I give you good advice. This video was recorded without my face, but I still love you, bro. Goodbye. Mwah.